Welcome to the basic setup video for Equipmax. We will guide you through the step-by-step onboarding process to get your account verified and your first listing live. Get started by visiting www.equipmax.africa. Step 1. Start on the homepage. Locate and click Create Free Account in the top right corner. Make sure you are on the official Equipmax website and that you can see the main search bar and navigation buttons. Step 2. Choose your account type. Select either personal account for individual users or business account for companies and organizations. Choose the option that best matches how you intend to use Equipmax. Step 3. Complete the registration form. Fill out the form corresponding to your chosen account type using accurate details from the start. Once submitted, verify your email address and sign in to continue the setup process. Step 4. Verify your profile. Check your verification status. Upload your profile photo, ID, and proof of address. Save changes and refresh the page until your status updates. A verified profile builds trust and helps your listings move faster. Step 5. Add your first listing. Navigate to My Listings in the left menu and click Add New Listing. Remember to use a clear title, the correct category, accurate location, daily pricing, and good images for your listing. Finally, before you relax, check this list. Ensure your account is correct, email is verified, profile details are saved, and all documents are uploaded. Confirm your verification status and that your first listing is complete. You are now ready to go.